Welcome to post-game press conference. I'm joined by your best player of the games, Bong Kinko. Congratulations, Bong. At the start of the coverage, in-emphasize ni Coach Luigi how important it was to have a strong start. At ginawa niyo yun today, leading by double digits throughout the game. At na-achieve niyo rin yung biggest win margin in franchise history of Meralco. How did you like the body language na nakita mo sa inyong mga teammates and just the overall demeanor that your teammates as well displayed in today's game compared to your last victory?
Pasalamat na ako kay Lord na binigyan niya kami ng magandang game and ingatan niya kami sa buong game. Dun sa sinabi mo, talagang ready naman kami every game namin, especially sa practice namin. Talagang yun, sila Coach Luigi, Coach Leonard, talagang pinupush nila kami na lahat ng dapat namin gawin sa game, gawin na namin sa practice para masanay kami. So kaya siguro lahat ng player na ginamit talagang ready maglaro. Lalo na yung mga bago namin, si CJ, si Kurt, sila Alvin, Brandon. So actually lahat ng ginamit na player ngayon talagang nag-contribute.
Thanks, Bong. Now, Coach Luigi, as Bong mentioned, the Bolts never stop stepping on the gas on both ends of the floor. Kahit wala ng mga starters inside the court. How does the performance today add up to your overall goal of being able to defend your title this conference?
Yeah, what I thought was good was yung first quarter namin, the first game and then our 3 tune-up games, we don't start well, right? So we have a lot of respect sa Terra Firma because we played them in the tune-up. At the half, I think we were even down by 2, right? And then they beat Phoenix, right? And they're missing some guys. Wala yung Carino, obviously Stan Hardinger's not there with them. I'm missing one more player, but they're a different team probably when they're complete, right? But nice thing to say, like Bong said, kahit our veterans, they played well. Yung mga rookie, they played well also. I think in the second quarter, we were saying, lumamang kami ng 20, and then they came back to 7, right? So just focus on what they're doing. We're feeling good. You know, guys are making their shots. We have our point of attack. This is nice also na we continue to get that lead, but we have a big one on Wednesday, San Miguel.
Thank you, Coach Luigi. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Was the goal for you kasi navigate games to start off the eliminations is obviously to get as many wins as possible. In San Miguel next, that be a welcome aside here facing San Miguel this early on, especially the way they played last night.
Yeah, yung maganda dito, you look at, sometimes you can look at the disadvantages, the 4 straight games. Sa amin, parang blessing rin ito na 3 straight. I think the main thing for us is you can never get in game shape until you play in the game. So I think magandang basehan to that we were able to play 2 games na, right? So yun ang importante sa akin. Another thing I just want to point out, I think the guys are playing well together. They're sharing the ball. Bong led the way, 5 assists. You know, we had 26. Last conference, we were about 20, 21. So, that's a nice second. Malaking karangalan sa amin to play sa 50th year for San Miguel. I don't know, I think they have red jerseys. But even me, personally for me, I've been in the league 26 years. You know, I have a livelihood here. You guys are my friends. It's a nice game. So, we're honored that we're playing San Miguel as part of our 50th year. Diba?
Kung you set the tone sabi with your 4-point shot and 3-point shot, how helpful sa team yun? Agad-agad naka-alago kayo?
Doon naman kasi parang ito lang yung mga tune-up games namin tsaka yung start nung game namin sa Converge. Yun nga yung poste ko kasi medyo talagang nababantayan na ako doon. So kailangan mag-step up ako sa ibang aspeto ng laro. So siguro sa practice talaga sinusubukan ko na i-train yung mga hindi dapat. Kumbaga, hindi ako doon comfortable. Pero yun na, kailangan na ma-improve ko yung 3 points. Siguro yung 4 points, medyo ano na lang ulit. Tamba na lang na shoot. So siguro yun yung pinapractice ko ngayon na kailangan kung di man ako makashoot sa loob, kailangan sa labas makashoot ako.
Usually kasi yung mga finals yung matches sa PBA and the NBA, usually ini-schedule na yan late in the season or strategically yung pagkakaschedule nila. But this game, early in the conference, San Miguel is only in their second game. Do you think it's an advantage for you that you play a team like San Miguel very early this conference? And you play already second game pala.
Yeah. I don't know. I just think when both sa amin, we have rich traditions from our ball clubs. When we play each other, there's a high respect for each one, diba? Tapos ang ganda na nangyari sa All Filipino, San Miguel, right? So I don't think there's any advantage there. I think just for us, we have 2 games, so at least we have our flow in. But they like you said, they're gonna come back. San Miguel, right? They haven't been winning in a while. So Coach Leo has that team going. They're gonna be ready. They're the oldest team, but they're also the most experienced team. So we're excited to play on that Wednesday. But make no mistake about it, you want to gain ground. I think if we can take care of that early, we're almost done with. We'll be 1/3 to our season, right? After these 4 games, kasi 11 games now. So big game for both teams.
Coach, nag-feeling na ba kayo ng retro jerseys nyo or nakita nyo na ba kung ano yung sura nyo? Retro jerseys.
Yung dati, yung parang may mga linya. So, pati kami, meron rin kaming coaching staff, parang t-shirt siya. So, there's a choice between orange and white, diba? So, yung coaching staff yata white, sila yata orange. But I remember a long time ago, nagamit na rin nila yun nag-retro jersey rin, diba? So, maganda, they do it. I think it's nice for the league. We can see, we can trace our roots, diba? Again, malaking karangalan because it's more than us. Meralco has also been there, diba? Ever since, even before that, the other leagues. So.
Bong, ngayon lang, masasabi mo din sa pag-reto kayo sa Wednesday.
Sobrang excited kasi syempre as a fan, nung wala pa ako sa PBA, syempre nung bata pa lang ako, napapanood ko na talaga, gusto ko talagang maging PBA player, di ba? So ngayon na nandito ako tapos yung makapaglaro and makapag-celebrate ng 50 years, di ba? Sobrang blessed kami, lalo na ako and then yung mga teammates namin, syempre yung organization, yung Meralco. So sobrang saya na yun nga, magkaroon kami ng opportunity na makapaglaro. Tapos yun jersey namin yung retro, di ba? So hindi lahat nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na makapaglaro sa ganung sitwasyon. So kami, sobrang blessed kami na isa kami sa team na makakapaglaro gamit yung mga retro na jersey.
Okay, with that, thank you and congratulations to the Meralco boys.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat.